In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to trust rank in Project Sakai. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the trust rank system, how to level it up, and how you can check the current rank for every single one of your characters. So, whenever you open this window for the first time, under the characters menu, you will see this explanation. You can assign certain characters to the same group, and this will develop the trust rank. You can accumulate Trust EXP with the appointed leader, and you will have sub-leaders and characters. Sub-leaders will have a little bit more XP than usual characters, and you will be able to apply them in different combinations. And as you can see here, you get special rewards for leveling up the Trust rank specifically. So you can check this at any time, like I mentioned, by opening up the characters menu, choosing character rank, and then trust rank. And you can check the trust rank with every single other character that you have available. Now, you can clearly notice that this is a new account, so every single trust rank of mine is basically going to be 1. And like I said, you can level it up by assigning different characters together in different groups. So remember to always check which character you have as a leader and as a sub-lead. You can change them here according to the specific trust rank that you would like to level up. Remember that the sub-leader will always earn a little bit more trust rank instead of the other characters here, so you have to make sure that they are set up accordingly. And once you have the characters set up here, however you prefer, I'm just picking random characters as an example, you will be able to go to any show and aim for an S score every time. The highest score bracket possible will always give you the most amount of trust rank. So you always want to try to S score. You always want to go into the highest difficulty possible, and you can co-op. So you can use whichever amount of energy you want, but usually 5x is going to be the most efficient. Besides this, there's no other secrets. Just make sure that you set up the characters accordingly, go into any show, and make sure that you perform to the best of your abilities. I hope I was able to help you on understanding how to trust rank in Project Sakai. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.